Hi everyone, my name is Noah Safia binti Rizal and today I would like to present borehole logs and SI report. So what is borehole logs and SI report? Borehole log is a record of subsurface conditions obtained from drilling, while SI report is a comprehensive report that summarizes field and laboratory analysis and recommendation for engineering design. So what is the purpose? The purpose is to identify soil profile and groundwater level, determine soil properties and shear strength, provides data for safe and economical foundation design, and reduce construction risks. So what is the importance of this borehole logs and SI report? It can prevent structural failure, ensure stability and safety, support decision making in design and construction. So for the theory of this topic, as we can know, borehole is a subsurface investigation. So boreholes are drilled using vertical to a depth greater than the location of interest. Samples and in situ tests are carried out to obtain information about soil or rock. And one of the in situ tests is the borehole shear test. So what is borehole shear test? A shear head is inserted into the borehole to the test depth. The cylinder is expanded by applying pressure from the subsurface. Then the cylinder is pulled and the pulling load displacements are recorded. Extraction pressure gives a normal stress. Pulling load gives shear stress. So from this result, we can see cohesion and friction angle that can be determined. So this is one of the formula and calculation for the borehole shear test. So this is the formula. We use Moore column theory. Shear stress equals to cohesion plus normal stress tangent with the angle of internal friction. So on your right, it is one of the example calculation. It's given that cohesion is 20 kPa, normal stress is 100 kPa, friction angle is 30, and it need to calculate shear stress. So based on if we follow the formula, we can get 77.7 kPa. So how to read borehole log? So first, we need to verify hidden data, confirm borehole ID, reduce level, and project location. Second, identify stratigraphy. We can trace the description of soil column to find changes in material, example clay to sand. Next is to calculate N value, sum the blow counts of the last four 75mm increments, discard the first two sitting drive. So if you can see on the figure, we can take example at the above one, 111, 12. So we only take the last four, which is 1112. So 1112, it includes n is equals to 5. The reason why we describe the first two, is because of sitting driver. Next is determine consistency, cross-reference and value with the provided tables, cohesive versus non-cohesive, evaluate sample quality, check recovery ratio, RR, and sample type. Either it is UD or D for data reliability, and is applied to design. Use the findings to determine bearing capacity and foundation depth. So, for the conclusion, borehole logs provide a detailed record of subsurface soil and rock conditions. Borehole shear test is an in situ test used to measure shear strength directly in the ground. Shear strength is expressed by the formula, which it can depend on cohesion and friction angle. The parameters obtained from field and laboratory tests are summarized into the SI report. Accurate interpretation of borehole logs and test result leads to safe, economical, and reliable foundation design. So overall conclusions, the borehole log serves as the evidence, while the SI report conclusion acts as the verdict, providing the architect and engineer with clear guidance on how to design the building to prevent sinking or tilting. So that's all from me. Thank you.